Let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season may we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one. All I want for Christmas is you.
Soulja Boy, tell me. Soulja Boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll?
This is for couples only. Who's the most fun in the relationship? Who makes the food in the relationship? Who's the most talented? Who's the most adventurous in the relationship? Who spends the most money in the relationship? Who's the best kisser? Who smells the best? Who loves the most? Who gives the best massages in the relationship? Last question, who will be the first to die in the relationship?
What's up sa mga walang jowa? Wala lang, pinapaalala ko lang yung sakit.
Kahit sandali, palayain ang pusang di
Actually, crush mo ganda ka. Kay sa una na ganda ka, crush ganda.
Hey, what rhymes with orange? No, it doesn't. What? The word what does not rhyme with the word orange.
What are you saying? What are you saying
You said
right now?
what rhymes with orange? They don't rhyme.
This is why no one likes you, Jim.
Okay, class, bigyan niyo ako ng example ng mga bagay na walang kwenta. Walang kwenta, walang kwenta. Ma'am, ako ma'am! Ma'am, ako! Correct! Ano pa?
The telephone number you dial is not yet in service.
Thank you.
The telephone number you dial is not yet in service.
Thank you, ma'am. Naunsa man ang telephone oy na ni thank you na ta. Sige maghapog yaw-yaw.
Watch me slam dunk. Watch me pass assist. Meet you to the left. High five with the hits. Cook it up like this. On the side, don't miss. Got the going so fast, I almost broke my wrist.
You don't say me fat. I don't eat your ass. I don't drink your water. Don't say me fat, fat, fat. I'm just a baby.
100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, it, babe. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Nandito po pagtarong po, oy. Andi na ta mag-vlog oy kapoy nga nam day.
Oh, hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I was wondering if you want to go get something to eat.
I'm full, thank you.
What are you doing later tonight?
I'm going to church, thank you.
Church on a Friday?
Jesus comes every day, thank you.
Okay, well, we could go see a movie later.
You can't even see a rated R movie.
I can if you take me.
Alright, don't watch movies anymore, thank you. Come again.
What? What?
Oh my god. Stupid boy think that I need him. I go cold like changing seasons.
When I popped off, then you